Hello my friends, welcome to Art with Miss Celiacs. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a face out of objects you have around your house. This kind of art is called an assemblage because we're going to be assembling or putting together objects that we might already have. The result is going to be a really cool and creative sculpture. This art is based off of an artist named Jim Shores, and he's not a trained artist, but he's figured out how to make some really cool and creative art at his home in Georgia. And one of the things he makes is faces out of recycled materials. The first thing that we are going to have to do to get ready is to gather our materials. You're going to find all kinds of things around your house. Don't forget to choose something round to be the base for your person. All right, my friends, once you have all of your objects gathered, it is time for you to assemble them into your found object face. And the reason why we call this an assemblage is because you're going to be assembling or putting together all of the things that you have found. So the way you want to start is by finding an object to be your face. And we usually think of faces as being round or an oval shape, so I'm going to use this plate to be my face. And you could use something else round, maybe a plate or maybe something else that you find around your house that's a circle shape. Then you're going to think about all of the different parts of the face and what you could use to make them. Well, my person's going to have two eyes, and I want those to be pretty much symmetrical. That means the same on both sides. So I think I'm going to use these little pins to be the eyes. They're not exactly the same, but that's okay. Then I want to think about the nose, and I might make him have kind of a big, silly nose with this little container. Then I want to think about giving him a mouth. So I have this scrunchie. It's a good red color for a mouth. Kind of looks like he has an open mouth, like he's talking. Then you could think about adding some other details like maybe ears or hair. So I think I'm going to use this shoelace to give him some hair, okay, around the edge of the plate. We'll even kind of fold that to make him have some bangs up here at the top, coming down over his face, okay. Then you could think about adding maybe some ears. Okay, or even some other details, like if you want to give your person a hat or give him some personality by giving him a little mustache or anything like that. You can just have fun and kind of make it your own. When you're done, you might want to save your creation by taking a picture of it so that you can look back at it and see the wonderful art that you made. So have fun, be creative. You could even make a whole family of people or an animal, anything that you can imagine. All right, happy creating.